Hello and welcome to Gray and Crochet. In this video I'm going to be showing you how to work a back post crochet stitch. I will be demonstrating using US double crochets, but the concept is the same no matter what stitch you use, be it single crochets, half doubles, treble crochets, double trebles, it doesn't matter. Concept is exactly the same. I've changed the yarn to pink just so you can see what I'm doing a little bit better, but essentially instead of working through these top loops like you normally would, we are going to be working around the stitch from the previous round but through the back. So to begin my double, I'm just going to yarn over. Remember, if you're doing any other stitch, just start as you normally would. For single, you don't need to yarn over. For, half double or trebles, yarn over as many times as you need to. And now I'm going to go through the back of the work and I'm going to come out the right side of this stitch. So in between this stitch that I just worked a double on top of and this next stitch. So I'm going to insert my hook from the back to the front like that. This is what it looks like from the back. So this is the stitch that I'm working on top of, inserting the hook from the back and bringing it out to the other side. And now I'm just going to push my hook to the back again around this stitch like this. So I have worked, this is what it looks like from the back. My yarn has gone from the right side via the back to the left side, and the stitch is sitting on my hook like this. From the front it would look a little bit like this, and then you just yarn over, pull that through to the other side of the stitch like this, and then complete your stitch as normal. So I'm just going to complete my double like this. So this is what will look like from the front. You can see that it's pulling the stitch a little bit to the back, and from the back it looks like this. It has pulled up that loop because we're working around that actual stitch. So we'll do that one more time. So I'm going to yarn over, and now I'm going to go between these two stitches. So on the right side of my next stitch, from the back to the front like that, and then go around the stitch and push it out the left back to the back like this. And now I'm going to yarn over and pull that to the other side of the stitch, so the yarn is sort of going around that actual stitch instead of the top loops. Yarn over, pull through two, yarn over and pull through two, and that is my double crochet done. So it'll look like this from the back and like this from the front. I hope you found that useful. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.